So walk me through that. What was it like from Meerut to Delhi, and then of course Delhi to making that trip abroad, to the UK for the first time?
Oh, that's like going back to memory lane. And thank you for asking. And in fact, I went to Meerut. So very blessed, that Meerut is nearby. So my parents are still there. My
Right.
elder brother is still there.
Right.
So Meerut is my roots, and super proud of Meerut. I guess there's something about Meerut. There's lots of entrepreneurship spirit, being
100%.
the sports city of India.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's how I did my schooling from St. Mary's.
Right.
Again, best time of my life, schooling, and that too in ICSC school with big grounds and all the sports facility, and that's why probably I'm too much into sports and outdoor.
Got it.
And from there I moved to Delhi. I wanted to go to Pune. But my parents my your elder brother went to UK. Your elder brother went to Delhi. So if you want to go to Delhi, great. Otherwise, sit in our family business. I'm like,
Got it.
okay, let me go to Delhi. So I did my undergrad university from Delhi University. Did my economics honors. So that's how I did my undergrad, and form a pseudo learning on stock market.
Right.
Because while I was studying, I was like, now my parents have sent me outside Delhi,
Sure.
outside India. So we need to do something on my own.
Yeah.
Not on entrepreneur state or something, but at least a job. Because I come from a background wherein in my distance relatives, no one have worked in a corporate.
Sure.
So typical SME
Right,
industry
right,
background.
right.
So I'm like, now I'm here staying alone, staying with friends, spending lots of money. So let me find a job. So I'm like, what skills I have? I'm like,
Yeah.
then I stumble upon stock market. There used to be NSC certifications.
Right,
So I did a couple of them. Got a job in India Bulls.
Okay,
That's how I
okay.
started my career into risk management.
Right.
I learned all the jargons,
Right,
and how one can grow in a corporate without doing actual work. So that I got exposure towards that. But then I realized that something missing probably in Delhi University
Right.
during my time.
Right.
Couldn't get lots of exposure towards building my skills.
Sure.
So I thought probably doing MBA is the right thing.
Right.
And there was some peer group pressure also that other of my undergrad friends, went ahead and did their masters and got a more high paying jobs. So I'm like,
Right,
okay,
right.
to earn your salaries, you need to do a masters.
Sure.
But one thing I at least that point I was pretty aware that probably I'm not cut for IIMs and IITs. So couldn't took a gap and prepare for that
Right.
career launchers and IMS.
Yep.
I guess that was very good. One of the good things I did for myself that didn't waste another year. Got my master for infinity business from Gurgaon, and when I was doing that, I got an opportunity to go to Nottingham as an exchange program.
Interesting.
So I don't know if I'm qualified to be called as an international student, but
Sure.
definitely I went to Nottingham from exchange program, and I went in January.
Got it.
And that's where from Meerut to Delhi to Nottingham,
Yeah.
and got into this space called higher education industry.